Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm a Kaggle Master and Junior Data Scientist. Guys, this is our iNeuron Python assignment series, and this is our assignment number 7, Data Cleaning Pandas assignment. Okay, so let's just start our today program. So our first program is the take this monstrosity as the data frame to use the following puzzles. Okay, take this monstrosity as the data frame to use the following puzzles. The data frame is the df is equal to this. Okay, flight number is equal to this, recent delay is this, and the airlines is this. Okay, so this is our data frame, guys. Okay, so let's write the program. First I just import numpy and pandas. Okay, import pandas as pg and import numpy as np. I just run this cell. Next cell I just copy this data frame and paste it. Okay, this is our data frame from to in London, Madrid, London, Budapest, Paris, Brussels, London, and the flight name is this. Some of the null values are available in our flight number. Okay, then the recent delays and the airlines name like a KLM, Air France, British Airways, Air France, and Swissair. Okay, just run this cell. Next I just print our data frame. Okay, so our data frame is look like this. Some of the missing values are available in a flight number, non value, and the recent number, recent delay. Some of the non values are available. Okay, so let's see our next point. Next point is the some values in the flight number columns are the missing. These values are meant to increase by 10. This value, see, focus on this, guys. These values are meant to be increased by 10 with rows. So 10,015 and 10,017 need to put in place, fill the missing number and make the column an integer column instead of float column. Okay, so what can we write? We have filled our missing value with the increasing of 10. Okay, we have increased 10 number in our data set. Okay, so I just take the data frame and I take a flight number column. I take a flight number column using the FILNA function. Using a FILNA function, I write value is equal to df flight number 0 0 plus 10. I add 10 value because it's mentioned in our program. You have to increase by 10 with each row. So the our output is 10,015 and 10,017. Okay, then I assign limit is equal to 1 and in place is equal to true. Same in the second value. In the second value I write flight number FILNA value flight number. Again I increase with 10, limit is equal to 1 and in place is equal to true. Okay, just I run this cell and see our output is first is the 10,045. Then I add 10 more data, increases by 10. So next output is 55, next output is 65, next output is 75. Okay, and so on. Next we have checked our data types of the flight number. So I just write df flight number and d type. Our flight number type is floating point number, guys. But in the real case, flight number is the only a integer type, not a floating point number. Okay, so we have to convert our this flight number floating point number into a integer type. Okay, so I just write df flight number. I take a flight number column. Okay, and then I change the age type np int 64. We have changed our floating point number into an integer 64 bit. Okay, and then I just print this flight number d type. As see our output is change. Our flight number column is change floating point number to a integer number. Okay, then next I just print this our data frame. Our data frame is again look like this. Next point is the from two column would be better as to separate column, split each string on the undercourse. See our from two column is the London Paris, London to Paris. Okay, Madrid to Milan, London to Stockholm. Okay, so we have to split this string into a two data frame and to give a new temporary data frame with the correct value, assign the correct column name to this temporary file. Okay, so we have split this particular column into a two column. Okay, so I just write temp data and I take a pd dot data frame to from to column, and then I use the split function, str split, okay, and then we have to use the dissimilar, okay, to list column from is the one column and 2 is the another column. We have stored our data and our data frame in the from is the one column and 2 is the another column, okay, and then see our output is look like this. First is the from is the another column and 2 is the another column, guys, okay. Next point is the notice how the capitalization of the city name in all the mix up in the temporary data frame standardize the string so that the only the first letter is uppercase, like London should be become London, okay. We have changed our first letter into a capital letter, guys. First letter is the capital letter, okay. So I just write data frame, we have take the from and to both of the column, and then I just use the capitalize, and see our output is this. First is the in the previous output our first is the capital letter, but second and third is the also a capital letter. We have to our point is that we have to convert our all the data like a London is to only a first letter is the capital, only a first letter is the capital, and rest all are the small. So see our output is the first letter is the only capital and the rest all are the small letter, okay, in the all the columns, okay. Next, delete the from to column from the data frame and attach the temporary data from the previous data frame. We have in this point we have delete our this from to column, we have delete this from to column and attach this data frame, okay. So I just write df dot drop, I use a drop function, okay, and then write from to column and in place is equal to true and axis is equal to 1. Axis is equal to 1 means it deletes all the column, okay, from to column, okay. Next, see our output is deleted, our from to columns are deleted, guys. Our from to columns are deleted, only flight number, recent delay and airlines columns are available. Next, I just concatenate both of them. I just concatenate this column because it's mentioned in our point we have to delete from to column and attach the df column, okay. So our df column is this temp data. So I just using concatenate function, I just concatenate both of them, temp function and data frame, axis equal to true, axis equal to 1 because we have add in the column, guys, okay, and sort is equal to false, and see our output is look like this, okay. Our output is look like this. Next point is that in the recent delay column the value has been entered into the data frame as a list in the recent delay column. In the recent delay column the data frame has the list, okay. We would like to each first value in the its own column, each second value is the its own column, and so on. If there is the nth value is not nth value, the value should be null, okay. Expand the series of the list into the data frame name delay, rename the column 1, delay 1, delay 2 and etc, and replace unwanted recent delay column in df the delay, okay. So first what can we do? First we have take a data frame recent delay column, we have take a recent delay column using the to list. I just create another column delay 1, delay 2 and delay 3, and see our output is in the first list. See, this is our list, guys. This is our one list, but in one list two data sets are available. First data set is the 23 and first value is the 23, second value is the 47. So we have to split both of them and store in the another column. So I use the delay 1 column, delay 2 column and delay 3 column. I create a 3 column because it's mentioned in your point, guys, okay. So I create a 3 column, okay, and then I store our value in the delay 1, delay 2 and delay 3, okay. Next point is that we have to drop our recent column. So I just use a df.drop function and take a recent delay column in place is equal to true, axis is equal to 1, okay, and our recent delay column are deleted, guys. Next, what can we do? We have to insert our delay 1, delay 2, delay 3 data columns in the data frame. We have insert our delay 1, delay 2 and delay 3 columns in the data frame. So I use a insert function, log is equal to 3 4 5. Why log is equal to 3 4 5? Because I assign the number of column, because this is our first delay column is the position number of 3, second delay column is the position number is 4, and the fourth third delay column is the position number is 5. So 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, third is the delay column, 3 is the position number is 5. Okay, and then value delay is the delay 1, delay 2 and delay 3. See, our output is look like this. Okay, so guys, this is your data cleaning assignment problem and solution. Okay, so guys, all about in this video guys. If you like it, please like this video and subscribe my channel, and if you have any query, just write in the comment section. Okay, thank you, bye bye.